Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule an Apex class. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we can simply go to our setup, and from here we can click on setup, and then you can simply search for Apex classes. So I'm just going to type Apex uh, classes, and from here we can find our custom code in all our classes. So from here you can simply click on any class that you would like, for example this callout class, and from here we can find this class body, summary, and the other things. So we can simply click on edit, and you can all start editing your Apex class, and basically you can find them also in the Apex jobs here, and basically they are simply the completion dates, etc., which means the scheduler, and you can find the classes and choose any class that you have created, and simply we can, for example, my class, and from there you will need just to add some scheduler. As you can see, we can't find our Apex scheduler from here. So simply we need just to go to the Apex classes, and here we will find the schedule Apex. Here we will just give it a name for the job. For example, my schedule, and from here you can choose any Apex class that you would like. So basically here you will need just to find your Apex classes and you add them here, and after that you will need just to choose the schedule that you would like, and you will click simply on save. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.